In this guide, I'm going to show you how to redeem a Snapchat Plus gift. This is Aiden from JustBoz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this, so we greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, open up Snapchat and make sure that you are logged into the account that received the gift, and you need to tap your profile icon up in the top left corner and then tap the Snapchat Plus banner up at the very top. On this screen right here, there's going to be an option saying that you'd received a gift. You essentially need to select it, choose redeem, and then follow the on-screen prompts to activate the gifted Snapchat Plus subscription on your account. And once it is redeemed, your Snapchat Plus benefits should become available automatically. If they don't appear, just fully close out of Snapchat and then reopen it. And just keep in mind that Snapchat Plus gifts are generally meant for accounts that don't already have a Snapchat Plus subscription. So if you already have one, it may not work exactly how you want. But if you don't see the gift at all, make sure you are on the correct Snapchat account and that your app is updated to the latest version. If you're still having issues, let us know in the comments. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.